Why is that the answer?
Mr. Ray, you're lying. You know it. You're using Ukraine as a proxy to weaken Russia.
No, I'm not.
You don't care about international law. At the United Nations, just recently, you voted against multiple resolutions upholding international law, upholding Palestinian rights. You voted against the resolution condemning neo-Nazism. You voted against a resolution supporting the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. You voted against a resolution calling for a more just economic global order. On Haiti, Mr. Ray, you're propping up an unelected, unpopular, unconstitutional leader that was appointed by the Canadian and U.S.-led core group. Mr. Ray, you supported the overthrow of Haiti's elected government in 2004. Is that true? Mr. Ray, is that true? Did you support the overthrow of Aristide's government in 2004?
Excuse me, sir.
Did you support the overthrow of elected government in Haiti in 2004?
No, I did not.
Sir.
Yes, you did. You're on the public record doing it. At least have some honesty.
Sir.
Supporting ousting Aristide. Yes, you are on the public record.
Sir. Excuse me.
Your support of what's the
Sir?
justification for Ariel Henry?
Excuse
What's his
me,
legitimacy?
sir.
What's his legitimacy, Mr.
Would
Ray?
you mind
Why is it up to you to decide what happens in Haiti? Why is it up to you to decide what happens in Haiti?
Excuse me, sir.
Canada ousted the government in 2004. We appointed the
Sir?
PHTK in
Excuse me?
2010, Michel Martelly.
Sir.
Did we do that? Is that recent history?
Excuse me, sir.
Are we
Would you
sending
mind keeping
weapons?
the
Are we
room,
sending weapons to
please?
support a police propping up an unconstitutional, unelected leader?
Sir?
Is that happening right now?
Excuse me, sir. I'm talking
No,
to
it's
you.
all about the horrors of Russia, right? Yeah, what Russia's doing is horrible. What Canadian imperialism is doing is what Canadian imperialism is doing is more horrible.
I'm asking
That's
you
the
to
reality.
leave from the back.
Canadian
Thank you very
imperialism.
much.
You supported the war in Afghanistan,
Sir,
in Libya.
I'm asking you
You
to
supported
leave
all
right
those
now.
wars.
Thank you very
Right?
much. You're
You
fine.
support the U.S. empire, wherever U.S. empire does, whatever the U.S. empire wants to do.
Thank you.
Shame on you.
Thank you.
Free Palestine.